Hey guys, in this video, I'll give an honest review of Dragonpass and tell you whether it is worth it or not. Let's get started. Dragonpass is a membership service that provides access to airport lounges, dining discounts, and other travel benefits. To use it, you need to sign up for a membership and choose a plan that fits your travel needs. Once your membership is active, you can access lounges by showing your digital card in the Dragonpass app. The main benefit of Dragonpass is its wide network of lounges worldwide. It also offers discounts on airport dining and other travel perks, making it useful for frequent travelers. However, the value depends on how often you travel and whether the available lounges suit your needs. Some users have reported that certain lounges have limited availability or restrictions based on the time of day. Compared to other lounge access programs, Dragonpass is often more affordable, but it may not have the same level of exclusivity as premium services. If you want a budget-friendly way to access lounges, it could be a good option. However, if you travel frequently and want guaranteed access to top-tier lounges, you might want to explore alternatives. That's it for this video. Thanks.